This is Pete Moore. I am month 6 2/3, but I'm really at the 9th inning of this closing. We're excited to report that the company's financials have continued to perform. We're happy to report that all 20 landlords miraculously have signed their lease assignment process, and nothing's happened that has affected the business. No fires in any spas or saunas, no sexual harassment suits, no issues with any of the company's employees leaving that were said they were signing up for the buyer's deal. And everything is ready to go to funds flow. What do I mean by that? Once I go to funds flow, there is an Excel sheet that includes everyone that is getting money from the Gagnon Group on their purchase of the $60 million deal. The $3 million is going into Chase Bank's escrow account to hold for a rainy day, which will be released to the seller in 2 years if nothing is proven to be untrue. Then we have all the debt that is associated with all the equipment. So Macro Lease might have $10 million of debt on the equipment that are in my clubs. They get paid directly by the Gagnon Group because the Gagnon Group needs to know that those assets are now released and now they own them, because a debt provider will have a lien or a claim to equipment. So instead of me sending $60 million to my friend over at Project Willow, who's the seller, and hope and pray that he pays off all the debt will get paid at closing. So will the Integrity Square success fee. So will the accountants that were on the deal. So will all the closing fees and payments that need to be made potentially to any landlords on the change of control that are in there as security deposits. And the money is wired and the deal is done.
The deal has closed!
No way! And the tombstone is made up for a friend named Jason Grunfeld. You okay? We heard this is your third tombstone. How do you feel?
It feels good. You know, it was a team effort, but we got after it, and many more to come.
Go Rosa, go Halo,
Let's go, baby.
Grunfeld! That's it. We're done.
Cut.
Done, bro.
That's a wrap.